Going to look at our forecast and a peek at the weekend. For that, we go to our chief meteorologist, Tim Smith. Tim, how's it looking?
Carrie, the biggest issue right now is fog. This visibility is down to just over a quarter of a mile now at the Edinburgh Airport, which of course is out north of town. In town, McAllen Airport's 5 miles, west of the coast 4. You get closer to the coast, Port Isabel 1.7. Brownslow's visibility is still good right now, so you can see kind of where the fog is thickest at the moment. And I think it'll probably spread out as the night goes on. So we're all likely to see some dense fog before the night's over with. Look at that rain last night. By the time we left you about 11 o'clock last night, it was just starting to move in, and look how it really exploded. Watch it one more time. You can see an awful lot of moisture, kind of 2 waves going through the mid-valley, leaving some pretty heavy rainfall totals. This is Doppler estimated rainfall, and you can see where it fell. One swath from about Reynosa right up through the mid-valley, and then up just to the north of Harlingen between there and Raymondville, then right out to the coast near Port Mansfield. Take a closer look and get some Doppler estimated rainfall totals. South of Donna, just a little more than 1.25 inches, 1.6 north of Weslaco. Here in our studios, we had just shy of 1.5 inches. Look to the northeast, though, the heaviest just north of Combs, up around Sebastian and Lyford, 2.8 inches of rain there, according to Doppler, 1.9 in the middle of Willacy County, and then it just continued moving off the coast from there. Most of Cameron County, not so much. Look, south of about San Benito, it was real spotty, very light for the most part. Here in our studios, we ended up with 1.46. That was our total for today. For the month, we're up to 1.74, and that's more than double the norm for the month and year to date. Fog out there tonight will be with us most of the night, dense in some places. It'll burn off tomorrow. The clouds may take all day to go away, though. I think we'll see more clouds than sunshine tomorrow. Even with that, temperatures should rebound up probably into the 80s. Saturday, less fog, more sun. Temperatures climbing up into the upper 80s, close to 90 on Saturday. And then Sunday, it's a northwesterly wind, and that changes things. So let's look at the high temperature, look at the rainfall rather. Mainly dry tomorrow, maybe a 5% chance of a passing shower. But after that, we are dry all the way through next Thursday. Now, temperature-wise, here's where we are right now. 63 is the latest reading in Weslaco, 64 in Harlingen. Readings go up overnight rather than down. So by noon tomorrow, we're about 70 or so. We go up and top out close to 80, and then by 9 o'clock, back in the upper 60s. Here we go Saturday. By noon, we're already 80. We top out near 90 and then cool back off in the evening. And then Sunday, a little bit cooler, courtesy of the front. Temperatures don't get out of the 70s most of the day on Sunday. So you see us going up to 88 Saturday, cooler Sunday and Monday, back in the 80s on Tuesday. And then we drop off 73 and 70 for Wednesday and Thursday of next week. So here's the way it all comes down to. Mainly cloudy, dense fog, 64 tonight. Light and variable winds at 64 means temperatures just going to hold steady. Then tomorrow, fog early, but then some sunshine back up to 83. We hit 88 on Saturday. Sunday, high risk of wildfires because the air is going to be so dry and the wind is so strong, and there's so much fuel out there, dry grass from the freeze a couple of weeks ago, that if something starts, it could spread in a hurry. So be really careful on Sunday. And then next week, we're warming up to 86 by Tuesday. Another front Tuesday night cools it off for the middle of the week. That's your updated First Watch forecast.